Hey guys, welcome, and this is how to send multiple photos on a WhatsApp. So, in order for you to do that, first open the WhatsApp application, and now just simply go to the inbox that you want to send the multiple photos with. And now, here on the inbox, guys, you should be able to see here the paperclip icon beside the camera icon. So just simply select the paperclip icon and you will have a bunch of tools that you could utilize over here. And you will have here a gallery. So tap on your gallery. And now from here, just simply select multiple photos by tapping on the icon at the bottom right corner. And from here, as you can see, it will redirect us to another tab. And we could just simply select it one by one. And after that, we could also select albums when we tap on albums at the top. And once everything is done, select add. And from here, you can add a caption, you can edit it out. So pretty much these are some helpful tools that you can edit your pictures before sending. And once you are done, you can just simply select send at the bottom right corner of the screen. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.